Friends, I am Abhilash Matthew. Welcome to Brilliance Academy. Today we will discuss about adjectives of few, a few and the few along with adjectives of little, a little and the little. Before going to start these topics, I would like to recollect few more topics which is related to these adjectives. Do you know what is countable noun? And do you know what is uncountable noun? Look at this marker. It is a countable noun. Can we count? 1 marker, 2 markers, 3 markers? Yes, definitely we can count. So look at some examples of countable nouns which I have written on board. Pen, car, book, pencil. These are the countable nouns. Can we count? Yes, we can count. 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, etc. Car. Can we count? Yes, we can count. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, etc. In the same way, we can count book and pencils. Okay. So, these types of nouns are called countable nouns. Let's see next, uncountable nouns. What is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns are the nouns which we cannot count. Which we cannot count, but we can measure. Some examples I have written on the board. Look here. Sugar, milk, water are the uncountable nouns. Okay, we cannot count. Can we count? 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars? No, we cannot count. We cannot separate its elements. Okay, so such types of nouns are called uncountable nouns, but we can measure by using some measurements. Okay, so look at these examples of countable nouns. How do you use in the sentences? Look here. In the first example, there are 2 boys in the room. 2 boys. Boy is a countable noun. We can count 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys. Okay. Here 2 is the adjective we used here. Okay. So boy is the countable noun. We can count. Okay. The second example we can see. I bought 5 pencils. Pencil is a countable noun. Here 5 pencil. 5 pencils. 5 is the adjective used here. So from singular to plural we change pencil, pencils. Okay. Next example we can see here. He bought 3 mangoes. Here the noun is mango. Okay, it's a plural noun because the adjective 3 is used here. Okay. I brought 3 mangoes. These are the examples of countable nouns. Okay, let's see the uncountable nouns. How do you use in a sentences? Okay, we can see here 3 uncountable nouns. Sugar, milk and water. These are the uncountable nouns. Okay, then how do you use these sentences? These adjectives in a sentence. Look here. I bought 2 milk. Can we say I bought 2 milk? Actually, this sentence is grammatically wrong. Okay. 2 milk. 2 milk. Can we count? No, we cannot count. Actually, milk is an uncountable noun. We cannot count 1 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks. We cannot count. We can count uncountable nouns by using some measurements. Look here. We can say that I bought 2 liters of milk. 2 liters of milk, not milks. Okay. 2 is adjective used here. 2, so that we used here liters. Okay. 2 liters of milk. This sentence is grammatically correct. Next example. I drank 4 water. Can we say I drank 4 water? No, actually this sentence is grammatically wrong. We cannot say I drank 4 water. Okay, instead of I drank 4 water, I can say here I drank 4 glasses of water. Here the noun is water. It's an uncountable noun, but we can use here glasses of water. How many glasses of water? 4 glasses. Glasses can be count. Okay, here 4 glasses, not glass. 4 is adjective used here, so we want to use glasses of water, not waters. Next example we can see here. I purchased 3 sugar. Can we say I purchased 3 sugar? No, we cannot say because sugar is uncountable. We cannot count. But we can say here, he purchased 3 kilograms of sugar. 3 kilograms. Okay. So these are the examples of uncountable nouns. How do you use in the sentence? Okay, I hope you have understood it. Let us see how do you use adjectives of few, a few, and little, a little in the sentences. Okay, first is few. Few means not many, hardly any. Not many, hardly any. It is used with the countable nouns. Few is used with the countable nouns. And it has negative meaning. And few has a negative meaning. Okay. Before going to see the examples, I wish to say one situation. If I inform to the students to join the extra class which I wish to take on Sunday. But when I reach in the class, what happened? Look at the board. There are few students in the classroom. Few students. Student is a countable noun. It is a countable noun. Here, few students means out of 40, 1 or 2 students are there in the classroom. Okay, it means it has a negative meaning. It means 5% of students are there in the classroom. Okay, so it is not enough for me to take class. Okay, few shows not enough. Few shows not enough. It shows a number, but it shows not enough. Okay, the second situation here, the owner of the company, he said, few machines are working in the company. Few machines are working in the company. Machine is a countable noun. If the owner of the company say, few machines are working, it means out of 20, 1 or 2 machines are working. Okay, not many. Not many, only 1 or 2 machines are working. In this context or in this situation, we can say few machines are working in the company. I hope you have understood it. Okay, let us see how do you use a few. A few, it means some. Okay, a few is also used with the countable noun. It shows some. It has positive meaning. It has a few has a positive meaning. It shows number. Okay, look at the example. The same situation which I have said right now. If I say there are few students in the classroom, there are a few students. There are a few students. It means it has a positive meaning. A few has a positive meaning. Okay, out of 40, maybe 20 or 25 students are there in the classroom. Okay, out of 40, 20 or 25 students are there in the classroom. Okay, in this context, I can say there are a few students in the classroom. A few students. Okay, the same situation which I have explained here. If the owner of the company, he said, a few machines are working. A few machines are working in the company. It means it has a positive meaning, and out of 20 maybe 6 or 7 machines are working, but not enough. Okay, in this situation I can say a few machines are working. Okay, next we can see the use of little. Little is used with the uncountable nouns which we cannot count, and it is used with the abstract nouns. Okay, abstract nouns is also uncountable noun, and little means not much. Okay, not much. Okay, in countable nouns with we can use many, and uncountable nouns we can use much. Okay, little means not much or hardly any. It is also has the negative meaning. It is also has the negative meaning. Okay, it shows, little shows small amount. Okay, little shows small amount, and a few shows a small quantity or number. Okay, here look here, and abstract nouns or uncountable nouns, it has no plural forms. Okay, it has no plural forms. Look here, for example, the situation, if my friend's father admitted in the hospital, he fell in ill. So when I visited in the hospital, the doctor advised me, or he said me, or he informed me, there is little hope of his recovery. Okay, little hope. Hope is the noun. It is an uncountable noun. Actually, it is an abstract noun. Okay, here we applied the adjective of little. Okay, little hope. Little hope means it has a negative meaning. It means 5% hope. Symbol means. Okay, little hope. It means there is a little possibility to recover from the disease. In that situation, I can say there is little hope of his recovery. Okay, only 50% hope. Okay. So second situation is, if I wish to purchase a mobile, the cost of 10,000 from the market, but I have 500 only with me. Okay, situation is, I wish to purchase a mobile, the cost of 5,000 from the shop, but I have 500 rupees with me. So in this situation, I can say, I have little money with me. I have little money with me. Okay, it means actually I have 500 rupees with me, but I wish to purchase 10,000 mobile. So it's not enough for me to purchase the mobile. Okay, in this context, in this situation, I can say I have little money. Money is uncountable noun, but rupee is countable noun. Okay, money is uncountable, but rupee is countable noun. Okay, if I say little money means not enough for me to purchase the things which I wish to. Okay, here we can see not enough, not as much as I wish, as much as I want, as much as I need. Okay, so 500 is not enough for me to purchase a new mobile from the shop. Okay, in this context I can say I have little money with me. Okay, I hope you have understood it. If you like my video, please subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I upload new video on YouTube. Next we can see here, how do you use a little in a sentence. A little means it shows something. It has a positive meaning here. Okay, a little is also used with the uncountable nouns. It shows a positive meaning here. Okay, look at the same situation. If I say there is a little hope. There is a little hope of his recovery. It means yes, he may be recover from the disease. He may be recover from the disease. It means 30% possibility is there to recover from the disease. 30% possibility is there to recover from the disease. Let us see the next example. I have a little money with me. I have a little money with me means in the same situation, if I say I have a little money with me means it has a positive meaning. It means if I wish to purchase a 10,000 rupees mobile, I can purchase, but I have only 10,000 rupees with me. Okay, so a little, it shows a positive meaning and it is used with the uncountable noun. Okay, it is used with the uncountable noun. If I say I have a little money with me means yes, I have money with me. That is not enough but satisfactory. It is not enough but satisfactory. Okay, so let me explain the main points again. It means a few are used with the countable nouns. Little and a little used with uncountable nouns. And if so, let us take the last one. The few, it means not many, but all there are. The same situation, look here. If I say there are the few students in the class or in the classroom, there are the few students. The few students means here out of 40, maybe 37 or 38 students were there in the class. Okay, in this situation I can say there are the few students in the classroom. Means almost all the students were present, but not all. One or two students were absent. Okay, in this context I can say there are the few students in the classroom. Okay, it shows 90% of the attendance. Okay, or 95% of attendance. The second example, the few machines are working in the company. It means out of 20, 80 or 90 machines are working. Out of 20, 80, 18 or 90 machines are working. In this context I can say the few machines are working. Okay, not many but all there are. Why do we use are? Because it's a countable noun. Few machines, 20 machines are there. Okay, let's see next use of the little. The little, it means not much but all there is. Why do you use is here? I already explained that uncountable nouns, it does not has plural forms. Okay, it does not has plural forms. I cannot say hope and hopes. Hope and hopes. I cannot say. Okay, look at the example. The same situation, same context. If I say there is the little hope. Hope is the noun. The little hope means there is a little hope of his recovery means yes, definitely he will recover from the disease. Okay, 95% of the possibility he will recover from the disease. Okay, in this context I can say there is the little hope of his recovery. Yes, definitely he will recover from the disease. Okay, next example. I have the little money with me to purchase a new mobile. It means I have enough money with me to purchase the mobile. To purchase a mobile. Okay, in this context I can say I have the little money. It means I have sufficient money with me to purchase the mobile. Okay, it means yes, 95% of the possibility I can purchase. Okay, in this context I can say I have the little money. It is also show the positive meaning. Okay, I hope you have understood these topics. Use it in your